You've been eyeing an Audemars Piguet, right? But with prices ranging from 10K to over $1 million, it's tough to know which one is worth your money. Today, I'm giving you the ultimate AP buyer's guide for 2025, where we'll explore 3 amazing watches in each price range, starting from 10K all the way up to 200K plus. I'll explain why these models are great buys, and stick around for a bonus tip at the end on how to choose the perfect AP for you. Let's dive in. Starting with the 10K to 20K range, you'll find some great Royal Oak models at a more accessible price. First up, the 26170 ST Royal Oak Offshore. This one's got a 42mm case, so you get that signature Royal Oak look, but with a sporty edge. It's priced around 18K to 20K, making it a solid entry-level AP. The Offshore is rugged, but still keeps that luxury feel. It's a great buy because it blends luxury and versatility, perfect for both casual and formal settings. Next, the 26220 ST brings a bit more aggressive design. This one's priced around 18K to 22K, and it's definitely for someone who wants a bold look. The Offshore design always holds value, and this model brings a dynamic vibe to the collection. It's a smart purchase if you want something with a little more attitude. Lastly, we have the 15710 ST Diver. With a 42mm case and sleek black dial, this is both a great sports watch and a luxurious accessory. It's priced between 17K and 20K, giving you a mix of style and functionality. It's a solid investment if you want something that's collectible, but also practical for everyday wear. Let's move on to the 20K to 30K range, where you get premium designs and better materials. First, the 26470 ST Royal Oak Offshore Havana Edition. This one has a brown dial and stainless steel bezel, giving it a sophisticated yet sporty vibe. Priced around 23K to 30K, it's a standout in the Offshore collection. What makes it a great buy? It's incredibly versatile. Wear it for both business or leisure, and the rich brown dial sets it apart from other models. Next up is the 15210 BC from the Code 1159 collection. This model is minimalist and perfect for those who want something clean and elegant. At mid 20K, it's a solid buy for those looking for a more subtle luxury that still packs a punch. Over time, this model appreciates in value and is a classic for anyone who prefers a more refined design. Finally, check out the Montoya AP with its carbon fiber bezel and chronograph feature. Priced between 27K to 32K, this one's a great option if you want a collectible watch with great performance. It's a bit more niche, but it holds long-term value for collectors. Now let's look at the 30K to 50K range, where the watches are premium quality with advanced complications. The 26420 ST in titanium is up next. This 43mm model is made of lightweight titanium, which means you get strength and comfort. At around 40K, it's a top-tier choice. Why is it a great buy? Titanium is strong, light, and it holds up well over time. It's a long-term investment for anyone who appreciates durability without compromising luxury. Next, we have the 26470 IO Ghost. It's got a gray ceramic bezel and titanium case, which gives it a modern, unique look. Priced around 34K, this model is a little different from the usual APs, which makes it appealing to those who want something that stands out. It's got a futuristic design, but still holds on to the luxury and performance you expect from AP. And don't forget the 15400 ST, the classic Royal Oak with a blue dial and stainless steel case. This one's priced between mid 30K to 40K, and it's underappreciated despite being a top-tier watch. It's a great buy because it offers iconic design and long-term value. You can't go wrong with this one if you're looking for a timeless piece. Let's talk about the 50K to 100K range, where you'll find watches with true luxury and premium materials. First, the 26401 PO Royal Oak Offshore in platinum. With its platinum case, this one feels luxurious and heavy. Priced between 55K to 65K, platinum is rare and durable, making this a fantastic investment. It's a premium watch for someone looking for the ultimate in luxury. Next is the 15202 ST Jumbo, a coveted Royal Oak with a 39mm case. Priced between 100K to 120K, this one is an investment piece that will continue to appreciate over time. The 39mm size is timeless, and the Jumbo is one of the most sought-after models for collectors. It's a great buy for anyone who wants a classic AP that will only increase in value. Finally, check out the 15711 IO Japan Diver Edition with its 18K rose gold case and gray gradient dial. Priced between 60K to 70K, this one's a rare beauty. It's a great buy if you're looking for a unique, beautiful piece with lasting value. Now for the 200K plus range, where we talk about the ultimate Audemars Piguet. First, the 15412 BA in yellow gold with a diamond bezel and skeletonized dial. Priced between 700K to 800K, this piece is pure luxury. It's a statement piece, made from rare materials and flawless craftsmanship. If you're looking for unmatched luxury, this one is a solid investment. Next, the 26579 CS with its blue ceramic perpetual calendar. Priced around 700K, this model is a blue chip investment. It's a great buy for anyone looking for a timeless piece with high value retention. Finally, the 15412's Cebidoir chandelier model is the ultimate luxury with diamonds and a breathtaking design. Priced between 2M to 3.5M, this piece is for the serious collector. If you want luxury at its peak, this watch is truly one of a kind. Here's a bonus tip before we wrap up. When buying an Audemars Piguet, think about how the watch fits into your lifestyle. Don't just go for popularity. Consider whether the watch is something you'll enjoy wearing daily or if it's more of a special occasion piece. For instance, if you're buying a Royal Oak offshore, know that it's a bold statement. Great if you want to be noticed. But if you prefer something subtle yet luxurious, a code 1159 might be the better choice. The right AP should align with your style and the story you want to tell with your collection. So focus on what fits your needs, and the investment will work for both your wrist and your long-term goals as a collector. So which AP is right for you? Whether you're just starting your collection or looking for a premium investment piece, I've covered the best options in each price range. If you need help picking the perfect AP for your collection, feel free to reach out. I'm here to guide you. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more watch content. See you in the next one.